All right, this is unit 418 at TriVista. This is our 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is the 3A.0 floor plan. This is 1448 is the square footage. This is unit 418, so we're located up on the 4th floor. Got our laundry room here right inside the front door, full size, side by side. Coat closet here. Here's our living room. We are east facing here, looking now over Fox Street. It's gonna have a great morning sun. This is our master bedroom here. Got the bathroom connected. Got the dual sinks here. Unique setup where you have the bath and the shower back to back. And you're going to have your large walk-in closet here. Nice and deep, plenty of space. And then across the living room here, first we'll come to our balcony, which is very large. So we've got a good sized balcony here. You can see the state capitol. Again, east facing, looking over Fox Street here. All right. And then coming back inside, continuing down the hallway, we're going to have our second and our third bedroom here. And then this is going to be the second bathroom. We're going to have one sink on this end, and this is going to have the shower tub combination. And then both of these bedrooms here, good windows. This one here on a corner. And you do still have a very large walk-in closet. So again, unit 418 here at TriVista, the 3A.0 floor plan. And this one, $42.45 per month.